In this video we are going to talk about the best bug deflectors in this year, which is Auto Ventshade Bugflector 2. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Auto Ventshade's Bugflector 2 hood shield is custom molded and precision engineered to fit perfectly, designed to protect and complement the contours of your vehicle's hood. The high-profile, wraparound design is aerodynamically efficient and provides excellent protection for your hood, windshield and fender, deflecting rocks and other hazardous road debris. Impact-modified acrylic material is wear and tear resistant and car wash safe, providing maximum durability. It can also be easily removed from the hood for simple cleaning, and includes all installation instructions and required hardware. This hood shield provides easy installation with no drilling required. In order to protect the hood paint from rubbing, the set includes several rubber bumpers applied to the hood during the installation. Protected by a limited lifetime warranty. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.